Ladies, suppose you ever suffered an allergic reaction with itching and burning all over your body. In that case, you will appreciate the tips in this video. Some of these remedies you probably have at home, and they can make a difference if your itching starts late at night when you can't dash to a pharmacy. Of course, you can also use medicines like antihistamines, which can be very useful in managing allergic reactions. But what if they don't work or they take some time to kick in? You might need something extra to help soothe and calm your skin. There is also something that you must absolutely not do if you have dry, itchy skin. Can you guess what it is? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, but if you stay watching to the end, I will tell you what it is and why you should stop that practice if you have itchy skin. I know itchy skin can be uncomfortable and bothersome, but several natural remedies can help provide relief. Here are some of my best natural remedies for itchy skin. Use a cold compress to the itchy area. That can help to cut out the inflammation and give you immediate relief. Wrap some ice or a cold pack in a thin cloth and place it on the affected area for a few minutes. Something else related is ensuring you have good cross ventilation in the room and avoid hot and humid environments that can make you sweat and more itchy. Have you tried oatmeal? Taking an oatmeal bath can soothe itchy skin. So add colloidal oatmeal if you have any at home, or finely ground oats, which you're probably more likely to have, to lukewarm bath water and soak in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure the water is only lukewarm and not hot, mind you, because hot water will make itchy skin worse. Oatmeal has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce itching. I love aloe vera. It's got cooling and anti-inflammatory properties that can quickly ease itching. You may apply fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant leaves to your skin, or use store-bought pure aloe vera gel to the itchy area. You're gonna like this one. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that can help relieve dry, itchy skin. Apply a small amount of extra virgin coconut oil to the affected area and massage it gently into your skin. This next one might blow your mind, but hear me out. If you've not heard this before, some people suggest you might find relief from using dilute apple cider vinegar for their irritated, itchy skin from eczema. So apple cider vinegar is a fermented apple juice converted to a mild acid from the fermentation process. Now, people with eczema, we think that they have acid balance problems in their skin barrier, and acid cider vinegar may help to restore the balance in this skin barrier. But please be careful, because recent studies suggest that ACV doesn't actually show any benefit for treating eczema. In fact, it could even worsen the irritation for some people. So what about using it if you've got a bout of itchy skin because you've reacted to something? I have mixed feelings, okay? To try it, make sure you dilute it with water and apply it to the itchy skin with a cotton ball. It has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it might reduce itching for some people, but watch out for skin irritation, especially if it's not well diluted. Something else that may help by trying to repair the lost acid balance of the skin is baking soda. Yes, now make a paste with baking soda and water. Then apply it to the itchy area for a few minutes before rinsing it off. Baking soda can also help to balance the skin acidity and reduce itching. This is my personal favorite, and I'm talking about honey. Honey has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe itchy skin. Take it from me personally. Apply raw organic honey to the affected area and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Manuka honey is often thought to have the best medicinal properties. Then there's witch hazel. Witch hazel is known as a natural astringent with anti-inflammatory properties, and if you apply it to the itchy area with a cotton ball, you might get some relief from the itching. Now, in the shops you can get different strengths of witch hazel, and some of them contain alcohol, so please be careful, because anything with alcohol can even make the skin more dry and make itching worse. And some people can be sensitive, so just watch before you use it. Try it on a small portion of your skin, like inside your wrist, before you use it for the first time. And for my chamomile tea lovers, get in here, because if you've made some chamomile tea and allowed it to cool, you could use it as a soothing compress on the itchy skin. Chamomile, as we know, has anti-inflammatory and calming effects. I also love this one, and that's peppermint oil. Mix a few drops of peppermint oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and apply it to the area. Peppermint oil has a cooling effect that can help relieve itching. There you have it. A lot of these things are at home. These are some of the best remedies you can reach for if you suddenly develop bad itching. Let me know which one you've tried and how well they helped, or not. As promised, what is the worst thing you can do when you have a terrible skin itching problem? It is scratching the itch. Don't, because it will simply cause more irritation and itching thanks to the friction releasing more histamine under your skin. So please avoid scratching the itch. Rub on a moisturizing cream like one of the options I've talked about here, or gently rub at your skin, avoiding the nails and just with the balls, the pads of your fingers. Remember to do a patch test before using any new natural remedy, especially if you already have sensitive skin or allergies. Now, if the itching gets worse or it's not getting better, or you're having other symptoms of concern, please go and talk to a doctor or a dermatologist to have a thorough look at things and help get you better. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.